Hey everyone, ever wondered what makes your drone fly so smoothly? Today we're diving into the tech behind your favorite flying machines. Welcome to Lesson 3, Drone Anatomy. First up, the Flight Control and Navigation System. The Flight Controller, or FC, is like the brain, stabilizing and controlling your flight. GPS modules give you location data for waypoint tracking and that handy return-to-home function. The IMU, or Inertial Measurement Unit, measures orientation and motion using accelerometers and gyroscopes. Add in a compass for direction and a barometer for altitude, and you've got a well-rounded navigation suite. Ultrasonic and LiDAR sensors take it further with precise obstacle detection and altitude measurement. Next, propulsion and power. Your drone's motors, usually brushless DC types, provide the thrust while propellers generate lift. Electronic speed controllers, or ESCs, regulate motor speed. A LiPo, or Li-ion battery, powers it all, with a power distribution board spreading the juice around. Don't forget the battery monitor to keep an eye on your power levels. Communication and control are up next. Your remote controller sends signals to the drone's receiver, which then talks to the flight controller. A telemetry module gives you real-time data, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modules add smartphone connectivity. For those immersive flights, FPV transmitters send live video feed right to your goggles. Now, sensing and obstacle avoidance. Cameras like RGB, thermal and multispectral handle imaging, while infrared sensors and TOF sensors detect obstacles. Stereo vision cameras offer 3D depth perception, imaging and payload. A gimbal stabilizes your camera for smooth footage, and specialized camera modules capture stunning visuals. Some drones even have payload release mechanisms, LiDAR, for advanced area mapping and imaging. Structural and mechanical components include the frame, landing gear, and vibration dampeners. Motor mounts keep your motors securely in place. Flight control and ground control software manage your drone's dynamics and mission planning. Firmware updates keep your drone's software fresh, and AI algorithms enable autonomous features. Fail-safe systems, redundant sensors, and even parachute systems ensure your drone's safe return. And of course, there are accessories and add-ons like FPV goggles, extra batteries, and LED lights for those night flights. Now you know what makes your drone tick. Fly safe and see you next time.